We would say ding dong. What do you say in Japanese? Ping pong. What's up guys, Scott here back again. Today I have a very special treat. I have Miya with me. Say hi, Miya. Hi. So I've rigged up my helmet with a splitter and I put a microphone by the speaker of my Sena, which I have Miya connected to. So hopefully you guys can hear her. I have a more permanent solution. I actually ordered the media mod for my GoPro Hero 8. So I can take my old one and put it on my 6 and then put that on Mia's helmet and give her her own microphone. But that's later. We'll see how this works out. For right now, we're gonna see if we can hear her, and she's gonna help me make a video because we're gonna do something that I've been wanting to do for a little while now that should be kind of fun and pretty funny for both American and Japanese. We both laugh at it over and over again. So I've been in Japan about 5 years now, and I continue to learn Japanese and Japanese culture. And there's one thing that I never realized, and it makes a lot of sense, but I never thought about it. Once I thought about it, it makes sense. So sounds in Japanese are different than in English. And what I mean by that is when you think about what sound a doorbell makes, or what sound a cat makes, or what sound a pig makes, we all have that basic sound that you learned growing up. You know, you even had one of those little toys, you pull the cord and, you know, the pig goes oink oink. So those are different in Japanese. So Mia's gonna help me, and we're gonna go through a couple different animals, and we're gonna go over what I would say and what we learned growing up, and we as Americans, and she's gonna tell us what she learned and what they learned as in Japanese growing up. Sound good, Miya? Sound good? Okay, so the one that we already been going over many times is, what sound does the pig make? Yeah. Boo boo. That's pig? No, pig is oink oink. Even a doorbell is different. So in America, we would say ding dong. What do you say in Japanese? Ping pong. Ping pong? Yeah. So that actually makes sense because I think the doorbells and like ding sounds in Japan are different. So when I go into a store, or waiters and waitresses in Japanese restaurants don't just come around and ask if you need anything. You have to call them over. Some places have a little button and you push it and it basically rings them like a doorbell. But in America, the sound is very, you can hear it, ding dong, but in Japanese, it does sound more like bing bong. So that makes sense. All right, so the pig is boohee boohee, right? Yeah. All right, so what about a dog? In America, a dog goes woof woof. What is that? Wong wong. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is the one that got it all started that we both laughed about very much. So, in English, a chicken or a rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo. All right, I love it. Let's see. What other animals can we think of that make a sound? What about a cow? Yeah, moo. Moo. Okay, see, that's also a little different because we would spell it the same. So if you were gonna write it down in English, we would write M-O-O-O, moo. But I think in Japanese, that's what you guys would do also. But M-O in Japanese is a mo sound. So it kind of makes sense that it'd be mo and not moo. But I still think it should be moo because, well, I'm old and I grew up thinking cow goes moo. Let me see what else we can think of. Now I'm drawing a blank, so you put me on the spot of what animals sounds are. Okay. In English, a sheep goes bah. Sheep, bah. All right, that's pretty similar. I can see that. What about if we get away from animals, like a police car or an ambulance goes wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. What sound does a police car make? Siren. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Okay. Different, but they're not too crazy. What other sounds can you think of that are different? What about a cat? Meow. Same? Oh, we got one that's the same. Meow. There's Autobahn. Hi, Yukari-san. I think Stex is still closed. Yeah, closed. Yeah. It's okay. So while we're doing this video, I should mention that we are in the middle of the COVID-19. However, well, as you can see by all the traffic, we aren't on a full lockdown. I'm working minimal hours, trying to avoid others. We can go out for essential things, but something that we are actually encouraged to go out and do is exercise. So we are actually on our way to a park to take a walk. We've been cooking at home, staying home, and doing different things at home and by ourselves. So we need to get out a little bit, still stay away from people, but we're gonna visit a park. And this is actually Mia's first time on the MT09. Well, remember, you were on the other motorcycle, but that motorcycle wasn't mine. This is the first time you've been on this motorcycle since I've owned it, right? And I'm feeling better because I got Miya some gear. So now she's got riding shoes. Oh, he has MT10. I got Miya riding shoes. She's got a jacket. She already had gloves, and she's got a good helmet. So now I just want to get her some good pants. I told her to wear jeans, but that's okay. Anyways, Mia's getting some gear, so she's gonna be safe. I gotta protect her, right? Is your jacket warm? It's not as cold out as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a little chilly, but it's actually, I put a long sleeve on underneath my jacket, and now I'm a little bit hot. Probably because when you're not with me, I tend to ride a little bit faster when you're not with me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and I'm gonna spend some time with Miya. But I wanted to point out some of the differences the sounds make. Why are you going so slow? All right, anyways, I wanted to point out some of the different sounds things make. And I'll definitely put some pictures up there as well. So I would like for this video to be viewed by some of my Japanese viewers as well, so they can kind of laugh. It's not funny as in the sense that either one of us is wrong. It's just different. It's a little bit funny that all your life you grew up only thinking that a pig says oink oink, later to find out that other people in the world say boohie boohie. Which brings me to another question. I wonder if other countries, animals make different sounds. So maybe, is it different in Korea? Is it different in Vietnam? What about like European countries? If you guys are from one of those countries, please let me know down in the comments what kind of sound different animals make. You just heard some of the sounds that we say make, so I would like to hear what some other ones like. So guys, I'm Ruckin' Scott. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out. I lost my train of thought because I'm trying to decide where to go. My GPS is being crazy. Alright, we need to go this way. Yeah, back to, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps out. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to click the bell up top so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Whether you subscribe or not, always ride safe.